Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, a classic Volkswagen Beetle that's been transformed into a stunning pickup. If you love iconic cars with a twist, you're in for a treat. The Volkswagen Beetle has been a fan favorite since its introduction in the 1930s. Known for its reliability and quirky design, it's one of the most recognizable cars in automotive history. But what happens when you combine this icon with the practicality of a pickup truck? You get this beauty right here. Let's take a closer look at this custom Beetle pickup. The classic curves of the Beetle are still here, but now we've got a custom flatbed in the rear. Perfect for hauling small loads or just standing out in a crowd. Check out the wheels, the custom paint job, and the attention to detail on the bed. It's clear this isn't just a quick conversion, this is a labor of love inside. We've got a mix of vintage charm and modern upgrades. The original Beetle dashboard is intact, but there are a few surprises, like these updated seats and a modern sound system. It's the perfect blend of old and new. Under the hood, this Beetle pickup packs a punch. It's powered by mention engine details, stock or modified. Whether you're cruising around town or hitting the open road, it delivers that classic Beetle feel with a bit of extra muscle. Driving this Beetle pickup is an absolute blast. It's lightweight, fun, and turns heads everywhere it goes. Plus, with the added functionality of a pickup bed, it's as practical as it is stylish. So, what do you think of this one-of-a-kind Volkswagen Beetle pickup? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on unique and custom vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.